Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can solve if the Jabra Elite 2 did not connecting, not pairing, and how to fix this issue. So to fix this issue is there are two ways how you can do it. The first thing that I recommend to do, that if you already paired it before with your phone, go to your phone and go to settings on the top right, then go to connections, go to Bluetooth. And when you're gonna have the Jabra, you want to unpair it on the bottom right. So you're gonna unpair it, and this is something that you want to do the first thing. Now, the second thing to do, and what you can do, is factory reset. So when you're gonna have them both in a case, let's say I'm going to do it like this. You want to press both until they're going to start. You're gonna put them both in a case and just hold them both at the same time for about 15 to 20 seconds until they are going to start blinking together. And then you know that the factory reset is in the process, and it's good. Do you see that? See? Now they're being reset. Okay. And now we can take them out, close the case, take them out, and try to pair again. And maybe this is going to work out. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.